Hi YouTube, I'm Super Bunny Back, aka Nicolette U, aka EJ.
Don't.
And this is Sammy. This is my little birdie. This
My
is
bird.
Shadow. This is my bird. This is Shadow, and this is Spike. And this
Ow!
is
Son, your bird fucking bit me.
good for it.
I hate your bird.
And they're being stupid right now, but this is a bird vlog, and she's being really loud. This is a bird vlog, and we're gonna talk about my birdies.
Birdies talk a lot.
They're pretty, and you can hear Comet in the background.
Yeah, go get Comet.
No, I don't feel like bringing Comet out.
Go get
'cause These are the
Comet.
nice, pretty full ones that are all white and pretty full. And my friend over there, she's freaking out because she doesn't like birds.
Watch,
but
listen to this.
Yeah. Oh God! Wait, thanks.
Where'd he go?
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Come here,
Is
Shadow.
Shadow okay?
Yeah, Shadow.
All right. And they like to fly a lot, so I decided to bring them out.
I got
This is
it. It's
Ocon.
safe. It's
He's
good.
kind of scary. He's scared. He gets scared, and she gets scared, so she freaks out.
I don't freak out.
No, it's the bird. I'm talking about the bird. This is the bird.
This bird
vlog.
is a he. It's a boy.
Whatever.
Thank you.
Yeah. And
Okay.
this is the youngest. This is the oldest, and they were all born from. I used to have 7.
Woo!
7 is the max I've ever had, and they were born from the same parent, and they're brother and sister, and they're adorable. I want a dog though. They're kind of annoying at times. All right, YouTube. This was my bird vlog. Have fun with it.
Birdie, turn
Oh,
around
God.
for the camera.
Loud. And I'm half stuffed because I went to a concert yesterday.
I know. I feel like I'm being beat up.
Yeah, birdie.
Say bye, Spike.
Say
Say
bye.
bye.
Say bye, Shadow.
Say bye.